All right, time for a look at the forecast, and it's going to be a very busy, really next almost 7 days here in Kern County. A lot of activity in the forecast. Let's get a look at the radar to start things off. Nothing here in Kern County, and actually not too much in general across the state. A little bit of light shower activity, just the very beginnings of our next storm system here, mainly in Northern California. But the radar is going to get a lot more busy, even as we head late into the night tonight. So let's get into that here. Futurecast, already by midnight tonight, starting to see that activity along the coast. It's as we head into the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning that rain becomes widespread. Could even get a stray shower here in Kern through the day tomorrow, but for us, it's really going to be late tomorrow into early Friday, where most of that rain is moving into Kern County. So that's our first wave of rain, late Thursday night into early Friday. Through the day on Friday, I still think we could get a couple lingering showers, maybe even a thunderstorm, but it'll clear out from there. We're not done, though. There's going to be a second wave of rain that's going to wrap around an area of low pressure from the south into Saturday. Latest models have really shifted that heavier rain for most of Kern County into Saturday. That's likely to linger through much of the day. I do think as we head into the overnight hours Saturday, though, we are going to start to clear up. But this is going to be a significant rain across Kern County. Everybody is going to get good rain totals out of this one. At least that's how it seems right now. Could see a little bit of high elevation snow Saturday night as well. But I want to kind of break this down into two waves. So through Friday, Thursday night into Friday, we've already got some spots that are picking up significant rain, primarily our South Mountain areas. That's where we have the best chance for some heavier rain. I do think this model is still going a little bit heavy in the valley. I think Thursday, Friday, I'm going between about 1/4 to a 1/2 inch here in the valley. Some spots on this model are a little higher than that, and not too much in the desert. But with that second wave of rain into Saturday, that really bumps up rain totals. Here in the valley, I think that'll give us another 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain. So that'll take places, really most of the county, back up to at least the potential of close to 1 inch of rain, if not more than that. So this is going to be a long-lived system, and it should give us good rain all across Kern. Potentially enough rain to cause some issues, especially in our mountain and desert communities. A flood watch is in effect starting tomorrow night and going all the way through Saturday for our mountain and desert communities. Localized flooding of poor drainage areas and runoff flooding definitely possible, and our typical heavy rain impacts, things like washed out roads and rocks through the Kern Canyon, definitely possible as this rain is moving in. So again, this is going to be a long-lived system, multiple waves of rain on the way. Let's take a look at tomorrow. Tomorrow is a relatively calm day for the most part, but I do think we're going to see some gusty winds. This is showing fairly light winds in the valley, but I think at times into the afternoon we could see wind gusts here in the valley, 30 to 40 miles per hour out of the south. So it's going to be a gusty day at times. But besides that, not too much else going on besides a stray shower. Most of the rain, again, is going to be Thursday night into Friday. And we're going to see that on Futurecast here. Again, the bulk of the rain arriving late. And even on this model, 8 p.m. is probably a little bit early. It's going to be the overnight hours that we expect most of that rain. Again, that lingers into Friday. The second wave moves in as we head into Saturday. And there's yet another system on Monday that could give us additional rain. So this is just going to be a long stretch of very active weather. Of course, you see that cool down as well. Mountain areas, same story there. Most of the rain falling overnight Thursday into Friday with the first wave, and then that wraparound moisture gets us on Saturday with maybe a few showers into Sunday, and that third and final wave heading our way Monday and Tuesday.